Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. D and you're watching Refined Guitar Chops. Today, I'm gonna be showing Legato Part 2. Yes, Part 2. This is classical music inspired lick in the flavor of Antonio Vivaldi, I would say. Hope you're gonna like it. Oh, very important. I watch YouTube stats. 90% of you, my dear viewers, are not my subscribers. Could you guys please subscribe as well? Thank you. So, here we go. So this is the basic pattern in a key of E major. You can actually play it all over the neck. And so on and so on. So I got, again, 3 notes for you. It's B, G sharp, an open E string. So one more time. So let's get a little bit closer here. So the trick is really to pull the first finger down and not to move this finger at all. So, and then, otherwise you're gonna get this. This is not good. So you really need this movement, not this one. You know what I mean? That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. You are truly great and I appreciate your time. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below, or you can contact me on my Facebook fan page. The link is also in the description. So I'll see you guys next time.